Oh yeah, there he is. My first Midland.
3451 on point. 2060 trailing.
He waves.
He usually does. Right on, Dave.
And old XSP's ST45.
Former ST45 on point. Last two GP38s.
Really?
2060 and 61. The last two G38s on the line.
Ah, so I got lucky.
Yeah, you got them both on your first one.
Yeah, I'm glad you told me about this, dude.
Give them a minute. We'll hear them.
Yeah. Oh, you got the last call. Oh,
40 cars, about average for them.
yeah. Can't we didn't do the corking yet?
You will.
Done for.
Gotta remember, it curves off too.
Oh, that's right. You know this section better than I do. Yeah. I'm gonna try to stay still as best I can. Oh, it's smoking a little bit.
Yep.
Hey, that's revved up.
That should be 60 and 61 doing that.
Yeah.
Since they're the order of the fleet.
Hey, me, old school beats. Granted, I do like new school, but old school is better.
But yeah, that's Midland for you.
Yeah, my first Midland train. And I would say, well, cause I gotta give if I didn't tell Dakota Butler about NS211,
he wouldn't be up here.
yeah, I want to be uphill. Oh yeah, I got hit up now.
No, Phil, what you hear? There's a semi down that way.
You know this area better than I do. Oh, you showing this semi?
Yeah, it's coming up behind.
Oh, okay.
Well, you can't really see through the trees and
Yeah.
old hoppers they got sitting here.
All right, so I was saying, thank you for Dakota Butler for letting me know about this train. Full credit for this guy.
I mean, if you're up here early enough,
Hey,
you showed up at 8:30. He don't leave the yard till like 8:35, so.
Yeah, and if I didn't tell him about NS211 with the NYC
I'm gonna call
1066.
him up here.
Yep, so be thank you to him.